So this stewed pork dish was one of my favorites while I was living in Taiwan. It's flavored with soy sauce and some sugar and 5-spice and star anise, so it's got that really like sweet but also savory taste to it. And after you make it, you have all of this sauce left over from the braising that goes perfectly well over rice because everything just soaks everything up. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. So I start the magic in a pot over about medium heat, and I have around 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of shallots along with 2 star anise, and I'm just gonna toast them up a couple of minutes until they kind of get brown and also release some of that flavor. Afterwards, I'm gonna add 2 cups of this vegan beef crumble. If you have something else like a TVP, feel free to add that in. So just crank up the heat a little bit, and recipe is going to be down below, but I'm adding in a little bit of 5-spice, a little bit of rock sugar, and then right around a 1/2 cup of shiitake mushrooms. Normally I would chop them up, but these guys were so small already and they look so cute, so I added that in like that. 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine, and finally a 1/4 cup of this Lee Kum Kee double deluxe soy sauce. So a fair amount of soy sauce. The soy sauce is not overly salty and it's a little bit sweet as well, so it pairs really well with that. And then finally I end everything with 1 cup of water, and that is it for the recipe. Now, when it comes to a boil, lower the heat and simmer the mixture for 15 minutes. Afterwards, turn off the heat and let the crumbles just marinate and sit and soak in there for right around an hour. Just because vegan recipes, it's a little bit different than just, braising some pork belly for 2 hours. You guys don't know, but I could drink that sauce. Like, it pairs so well over rice. Like, I would have that sauce any day. Usually the braised pork is paired with a hard-boiled egg, but I've just decided to add in some steamed daikon radishes instead. I need not say any more. This is really one of my favorite dishes. Anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this easy one-pot recipe and that you guys will give it a try. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!